It's so important for us to have homegrown talent, strong in both the context and the content of STEM, but also in culture, Virgin Islands culture as well.
Being in this program, it really inspired me to choose a job similar to my mom. My mom, as of right now, is a chemical engineer, and how she does things, I'm really inspired by her. Something that surprised me in learning science and technology in this way was that how hands-on it is.
I think that the entire program was interesting. What surprised me the most about learning science and technology in this way was how fun and engaging it was.
The partnership with the RT Park was very beneficial to our school. STEM is the way of the world. It seemed to be a program that they really enjoyed. Additionally, our Smarter Balance science scores doubled this school year. So I know having that extra resource from the RT Park really helped us with our science scores.
This year was the first year that we launched our after-school programming that falls under our Youth STEM Enrichment. We targeted 3 different schools in the territory, 3 different K-8 schools, one on St. Croix, one on St. Thomas, and one on St. John.
I found that this program was excellent. The students actually got to do hands-on, but it wasn't just about the hands-on. They got to interact. There were a lot of inclusiveness. STEM is not something that you see a lot. So when they're exposed to it at this age, when they get to 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th grade, it wouldn't be as, oh, well, I don't know how to do this, or I think this is hard, because they were already introduced to it at a lower level, and having that exposure, especially for an after school, because like I said, there's no after school that does them. So this was brilliant.
The idea is that to get students at the earliest age interested in science, technology, engineering, and math, so that when they go through the ranks of school, whether it be middle school and high school, they can determine if they want to major in a STEM-related field in undergrad, and if so, then we can work them into our Professional Pathways program, where we prepare them for internships and hopefully place them in opportunities at the RT Park clients, which we're bringing to the territory.
And these children were so caught up in this that even their lunch period was spent in that teacher's room. So while she was thinking, okay, it's lunchtime, I'm gonna get a break. No, here comes the after school kids. They were in there, they wanted to say, Miss B, can we do this? Can we continue this? They loved it. This was an opportunity where they got to be creative, problem solving, thinking outside the box. And it was a wonderful opportunity.
My goal as director of the team of community advancement is to make sure that we don't just do these programs, we do them well and we scale them. It's our job as the EDOs, it's our job as the Virgin Islanders in these organizations to make sure that when we do get resources, we apply those resources directly to the community. So we will be in every school for after-school program. We are going to expand our Professional Pathways program, not just for 20 students, but 40, 80, and so forth. And we are going to be open to the community where they say, hey, it would be great if we have this X program or this Y program. I'm here all ears, and I want to listen to all these opportunities and ideas, and if we can apply them, we'll apply them.
Seeing how invested everyone is in making sure that the students get what they need for this program to be successful has been incredible. I've never seen anything like it in my entire career, and it's definitely been the most rewarding experience of my career.